Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you all our room. Just a few months ago we got a brand new bedroom set and completely flipped our room around to face a different direction. I sold our old stuff and we moved all of this in and we painted, and I've been very excited to give you all a little room tour. We just finally got our TV up on the wall, so I finally felt like most everything we wanted to do was complete. So come on. Show you around. So I'm gonna start by showing you our dresser. I love this dresser. This is from a local Lexington furniture store, Lexington Overstock, and it's so beautiful. It wasn't necessarily part of the set with our bed. They had them paired together in the store and I thought it looked really beautiful, so we picked out this dresser, and then we have a nightstand that matches. Nate keeps most of his clothes in here. I have to focus in on this candle because I'm obsessed with this. It smells amazing. It's from Bath & Body, so go grab it if you go in there. We just got this lamp from the At Home store. I think it's so pretty. I picked it out to kind of match our ceiling that I painted. And it's a little bit more green than the ceiling, but still one of my, in my favorite color wheelhouse. So I really love it. We just got our TV that used to be downstairs hung up on the wall. And I typically have this pushed back a little bit and it hides the Roku, and it kind of almost hides the cords. We thought about putting them behind the wall, but for that little bit of cord view, it's not worth it. So we're gonna leave it like it is. Here I have my letterboard and funny quote from Michael Scott, because we love The Office and I felt like this one was kind of appropriate for me. And then I have this fiddle leaf fig tree, and this is actually fake. I'm not sure if you can really tell. I'm not like a crazy plant person, so I probably wouldn't be able to tell it's fake in a video. But this is fake, and I kind of love it because I know fiddle leaf figs are hard to take care of. So these are from museumtrees.com and Silk Plants Direct. You can go there and view their flowers and trees. They have a ton of beautiful fake plants. And this little basket is actually from Target, and it fits perfect. I found it in the dollar spot. So I just think it makes it look so much cuter. So yeah, this I kind of love it because I can't kill it. So, so if you like this, you can go to silkplantsdirect.com and look at them, and then museumtrees.com too. Over here I have my dress form. This was a gift to me from my parents, I'm pretty sure. My mom got it for me. And there used to be this catalog called the ABC catalog. I'm not sure what it's called now. They had really cute home decor at a really affordable price. And so I think this is where this came from. And you can see my husband's shirt sticking out down there. So this closet, we shall not open. It's all of his clothes, and they're a mess in there, and so is my closet. But today we're focused on the room tour. So that's all that has to look good, right? So this, I actually did a review of this because I love it so much. This is my night sky picture from the night that we got married, and it has the coordinates, and it says I am the luckiest because I walked down the aisle to I Am the Luckiest by Ben Folds. And I did a review, and it was a gift to Nate, and he opened it, and I videoed him opening it, so you might want to go check that out because it's pretty cute. So here's our bed. And okay, tell me if I'm wrong, but so our box spring is right here, and when we were purchasing this, I tried very hard to find something that would not show the box spring. So I didn't want it to rise above the bed right here, and it just did not work out that way. So what I ended up doing is putting a bed skirt on to cover up the box spring, and it worked out okay, but I really just wanted the mattress to be flush with the side, but it didn't work out. But I think it looks okay with the bed skirt. But still, like, tell me if I was wrong in wanting to have that happen. Because I was upset when it came and you could see the box spring, and I was trying to figure out how to cover that up, but it worked out. And I do like the height of the bed. Like, I didn't want it to be shorter, but anyways, let me know if I'm crazy in that. So then over here is my nightstand. Have my picture from the beach and my diffuser. I'm diffusing some sweet orange essential oils. Got my water here. Got my iPad and a book, phone, and then my little fan. I love to have this on by the bed. It puts out a nice breeze and a nice sound to sleep to. And then, so all my cords are back here. And then I have my yoga mat right here, my brand new yoga mat, and I'll just put it right here. Usually it's right next to the bed, and then I can just wake up and stretch in the morning. So I did paint the ceiling, and I love it. I highly recommend it if you have, especially if you have a tray ceiling. I think it just looks really pretty. And I did have a lot of paint in my hair and in my face, but it was worth it. So over here is my little plant stand. This is fake from Target. I love it. This is real. And I do forget what kind of flower it is, and it doesn't have any flowers at the moment. I forgot to water it for a few days, and it got kind of droopy and sad. This one is the same thing, and I got these cute little painted I got these cute little painted plant holders at our vintage days here in Lexington. Then this is fake from Target. That's fake from Gordman's. Then a friend hand painted this trunk for us for our wedding. And then these two little baskets down here are from the vintage market days too. I still have the tags on them. I probably should take those off. There's my guitar and my computer. This is my vanity table slash desk. And I'm still obsessed with this chair. I got this chair for $20 at TJ Maxx. And I like to just keep this little pillow in it to sit on. Got some cords going on down there. But I have all my makeup and quite a bit of my jewelry here. It's not super organized right now, but this is all like face stuff, and then blush and some lipsticks and eyeshadows. Most of the eyeshadows down there, and then mascaras and eyeliner, more lipsticks, the jewelry, or a earring jar, just a ton of stuff. My eye cream. I swear Landon picks this up like 100 times a day and asks me what it is. And all my brushes, and then there's more jewelry and some nail polishes back there. And then this is my favorite thing that I got from Amazon. This lighted mirror. It's probably a little bit dirty, but I love this mirror. You can dim it, you can turn it up really bright, and there's some magnified mirrors on the sides. You can put batteries in it. Super easy to travel with. Love that. Then these lights, which some of the bulbs are out. I don't know why. Like every other bulb just randomly went out one day. I guess they're just all, I guess I've used them all at the same time, so they just all started going out at the same time. But these are from Marshall's, I believe. And then this is a vintage chair that someone gave us when we moved in. It has a pair to it, but the other one has a lot more wear on it. And what I meant to do is cover them, but now they kind of match our room. So I don't really want to cover it now because I feel like it really does match the furniture. So I can't decide. And this is just picture frame. A lot of our pictures from Vegas when we went. And then some from the pumpkin patch last year. And then this piece above the bed, the flower holders and the turquoise board, those all came from the Vintage Market Days here in Lexington. And I love that. And I bought these little flower holders too, so that I could hang them on there. And I just have a hat up there. I've been meaning to hang like a hanging picture frame or two on the other knobs, but I just haven't gotten to do that yet. So that is our master bedroom, and I would show you the bathroom, but it's a wreck right now. I got one thing clean, you know what I mean? Like your toddler takes a nap and you get one thing clean at a time. So I feel like we're doing pretty good today. Still need to vacuum, so if you can tell that, please don't judge me. But thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. I love interacting with you guys. Please leave comments down below if you have any questions or just any thoughts. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.